Welcome to Kitchen Alchemy by Modernist Pantry. I'm Janie, and on this channel we talk about unique ingredients and techniques and how do you use them in your kitchen. So whether you're a home cook just getting started on your culinary journey, or a seasoned chef looking for new recipes for your kitchen, we have the resources here in order for you to learn all about the new world of functional ingredients and techniques. On this channel, we purposefully showcase a wide range of different applications for our ingredients, so whether that's cocktails, molecular gastronomy, keto, vegan, gluten-free, you name it, we probably have it. But if you're only interested in a couple or one of those particular topics, you can find a specific playlist below to enjoy all the content that you want. Thank you for taking the time to check out our channel. And remember, you can visit blog.modernistpantry.com for all the recipes that you see on this channel, as well as modernistpantry.com for all the ingredients and equipment you need.